Hey guys, welcome to Program Factory. In this video, I will show you how to install Python in your Windows operating system. For installing Python, you just need to search for Python in your browser. Then you will get number of links appeared on your screen. Here I just go for the first one. Then it will redirect to the destination page. There I can see the download section. Here Python 3.7 is the latest version, so I'm going to click on that. Then the executable file gets started to downloading. This you can see on the bottom of this screen. It is getting started to download. It will take some time. Now let's get ready for installation. Click on that executable file and then click install now. But before doing that, you just need to check this option to set the Python path, and then click install now option. So now it is getting installed. Now I can use the Python software in my system. And finally, thank you for watching. More videos yet to come, so please do support, like and subscribe.